As compared to other cloud providers, Google Cloud is making a lot of progress when it comes to generative AI. Just recently, they have released another feature with respect to generative AI and workplace apps. Generative AI is poised to transform and streamline many of the most common processes and tasks each of us perform every day at work. For example, like how we communicate, how we analyze data, how we interface with apps, or even how we summarize content and conversations. At Google Cloud, it seems the open approach to Gen AI development has led to businesses around the world using Google's large language models or LLMs through Vertex AI. Now, with the help of Vertex AI, Google is now partnering with a lot of enterprise companies to bring the Gen AI capabilities to their applications. For example, there is a company Box. Box and Google Cloud will build their strategic partnership to create new ways for joint customers to work smarter and productively with Gen AI. Also, Canva is partnering with Google Cloud, and Canva is adding new Gen AI features into its popular visual communication platform, including new automatic translation capabilities and new Gen AI video creation tools powered by Google Cloud's Vertex AI that can enable creative teams to quickly build custom content in Canva. There are a lot of other companies which are partnering with Google Cloud in terms of Gen AI. Now, those companies include Jasper, Salesforce, UKG, and a lot of other. These partnerships are increasing the Google Cloud ecosystem for Gen AI development, and I'm expecting that more and more companies will be joining them. I hope that AWS and the other cloud providers wake up and do something in terms of Gen AI is as soon as possible. If you have any feedback or if you're aware of any new projects by AWS, Azure, or any other Google Cloud or Google Cloud provider, of course, in terms of Gen AI, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.